have to pay those collection companies. You're not obligated to them, right? Now, some of them will take it to the next level, especially if you live in those metropolitan cities where there's tons of attorneys that they can hire. But if you live in one of those suburban country town, you know, there's not an attorney that will take on the case and fight for that collection company. But you're not obligated to them. You're obligated to the original creditor that extended credit to you, right? So to understand that. So I always suggest that you give yourself a year, 6 months to a year, to look into your credit report and see if there's any derogatories and work on that. Because guess what? Once you start working on your credit, those things pop up too. So at least you'll be able to catch it before you go to a mortgage lender, where it would just be too late, where you have to come out of pocket and pay the debt. So always look into your credit 6 months to a year. Give yourself that time, because once you start challenging it, it does take about 30 to 45 days to receive a response each round. So you need to give it some time, so that way you can see whether you can get it off your credit, because they're not able to validate it or verify it based on the FCRA, which is the Fair Credit Reporting Act, that states that anything that's on your credit, whether it's yours or not, it has to be reported 100% correct, 100% complete, and verifiable. If it's not any of those three, it cannot report by law. Okay, so give it some time to do that. And if they are able to validate it, then you can work out a plan to do a pay to delete, so that way you can take care of take care of your business and then have it off your credit entirely, because paying the debt is great, but it's still a negative account because it went into collection. So